Tired of wrist pain and cramped hands after a long day at the desk? This X9 Green Ergonomic Keyboard Mouse Wireless Combo promises to revolutionize your comfort and productivity, making those marathon work sessions feel like a breeze. Right out of the box, the X9 Green Combo makes a statement with its vibrant light green color and sleek, modern design. It's not just about looks though. This setup is engineered for all-day comfort. The split keyboard immediately catches your eye, designed to promote a more natural hand and wrist position. Paired with a soft, pillow-like wrist rest, it genuinely feels like your hands are cradled, significantly reducing the strain often associated with traditional flat keyboards. The contoured mouse fits snugly in the hand, guiding it into a more ergonomic grip that just feels right. Its clear X9 performance put a lot of thought into making this a true carpal tunnel-friendly solution. Connectivity is a dream with this combo. It supports both Bluetooth 5 and 2, 4 GHz wireless, allowing you to pair up to 3 devices simultaneously. Imagine effortlessly switching between your PC, tablet, and even your smartphone with just a press of a button. This multi-device capability is incredibly convenient for anyone juggling different screens throughout their day. And speaking of convenience, both the keyboard and mouse are fully rechargeable. A single charge can power them for up to 2 months, which is fantastic for uninterrupted workflow and means no more scrambling for AA batteries. Productivity gets a serious boost too. The ergonomic mouse offers 4 adjustable DPI modes, giving you precise control over cursor sensitivity, whether you're doing detailed design work or just browsing. The keyboard isn't left out either, featuring 14 dedicated shortcut keys. These aren't just generic media controls. They include quick access to functions like Copilot, which is a thoughtful addition for modern workflows. And for those who share a workspace or work late into the night, the semi-silent keys and mouse clicks are a godsend. It's a quiet, focused experience that everyone around you will appreciate. Overall, the X9 Green Ergonomic Keyboard Mouse Wireless Combo isn't just another peripheral set. It's a commitment to a more comfortable and productive workspace. It blends bold aesthetics with serious ergonomic design and practical features. If you're looking to upgrade your setup and say goodbye to discomfort, this combo is an amazing choice.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.